Hi everyone. Do you want to learn how to make text like this? First, I start by adjusting the composition. Let's give the composition a random name. Then I set the dimensions to 1080 by 1920. For smoothness, I'm setting the frame rate to 60, but you can also set it to 30 depending on your computer. As an example, I drag one of my old videos into the project panel. Then I open the text layer by pressing Command+T on my keyboard. I double-click on the text layer and start typing. Next, I center the text using a line and start adding effects by dragging them to the text layer. You can adjust the settings to your liking. These are the effect settings I use in my edits. After adding the exposure, hold Alt or Option, and then click the time icon. This will access us an area where we can set the time, and then write the same I wrote. This will give us a constant exposure effect in the text. I'm adding the remaining two effects as well. I'm using Bevel Alpha twice. I duplicate it by pressing Command-D. All the effects I used for the text are as you see on the screen. This is the final version of the text. If you want, you can add tint to it with a deep glow effect. I mostly use the Industry Ink and Bank Gothic fonts in my edits. You can easily find these two fonts by searching for them in your browser. I also use specific effects to animate the text. If you'd like, I can explain a tutorial for that in another video. I hope you found the video helpful and useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for future videos and hardcore edits.